Home Remedies presents
How boiled apples benefit our health. Apples are extremely rich in important antioxidants, flavanoids, and dietary fiber. In today's video, I will be informing you about the benefits of boiled apples. Boiled apples help to flush the extra fat from the system. It aids digestion and is filling too. Pectin in apples helps in reducing the absorption of fat through the cells. Both raw and boiled apples are healthy. Boiled apples have an extra benefit, gut healing pectin. This special form of fiber is released during the stewing process, and new evidence suggests that it may help to repair and maintain the intestinal mucosa lining. One research study found that pectin can help to modulate gut bacteria, get rid of toxins in the gut, reduce inflammation. Even though pectin is present in raw apples too, its effect is more when the apples are boiled. A gut healing level of pectin is released when stewed apples develop a gel-like consistency. Let's see some of the benefits it has to offer us. It keeps the heart healthy by supplying it with air and proper blood flow to the heart. It prevents excessive fatigue. Feeding boiled apples helps prevent excessive fat that causes obesity. It helps to reduce your weight as well as obesity-related illness. The boiled apple consumption helps to maintain normal blood sugar in the body, and as such it is possible to control and avoid diabetes. It controls cholesterol level. The boiled apple is good and effective to keep the cholesterol level normal in our body. Boiled apples may also improve dysbiosis, which further supports good digestion. They alleviate constipation because they are full of fiber. The soluble fiber increases water content, and the insoluble fiber increases bulk in the stools. Together, these help stools to move through the digestive system at a healthy pace. You can simply take one fresh apple. If you use organic apples, leave the skin on. Wash it thoroughly and cut it into chunks. Boil it in 500 ml of water till it changes color. Eat it and drink the water used for boiling. Also, you can watch the recipe in the video link given in the description and pinned post.
If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.